Hey, I'm Elijah with Paid Memberships Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to create membership levels in PM Pro and how to configure your PM Pro membership level settings. So you've installed Paid Memberships Pro and completed the setup wizard. Now it's time to add and configure your membership levels. Membership levels are how you determine what members have access to and for how long, as well as how much they pay if you're offering paid memberships, plus a few other settings. You can find your membership levels under Memberships, Settings, Levels in the WordPress admin panel. You may have a few initial membership levels here if you chose to set them up in the setup wizard, but if you don't, no problem. You can create your first membership level now. But before you do that, it's important to understand that all membership levels must belong to a level group. Since PM Pro can allow members to hold multiple levels at a time, level groups are how you control that for a set of membership levels. To illustrate how level groups work, I'll set up a classic tiered access group where members can only join one level at a time, as well as a group that allows members to join multiple levels at once. To add a new level group, click Add New Group at the top or bottom of the group list. Here you can give the level group a name, which will be displayed on the default levels page, as well as anywhere you're using the PM Pro levels shortcode or block. I'll name my group Classic. Below the name field, you'll see a checkbox for allowing users to choose multiple levels from this group. Since I want to set up classic tiered membership levels, I'll leave this unticked this time, but I'll set up another group after this to show you how that option works. Click Save Group, and you'll land back on the membership levels page where you can click Add New Level in your new level group. Now you can choose from one of the convenient membership level templates. Free is a basic free membership level that never expires. Monthly is for if you want to charge a monthly fee for membership at this level. Annual is just like monthly, but for levels where you want to charge a yearly fee instead. And one time is for memberships that only have a one-time upfront fee for access that expires after a fixed period. You can also choose lifetime if you want to have a one-time upfront fee and access that never expires. Finally, we have the trial template that captures payment info at checkout, but doesn't charge until the trial period is over. And advanced if you want to configure all the settings yourself. There are also some premium options if you have the appropriate add-ons installed, like approval, which gives admins the ability to approve or deny members before they're granted access, and gift, which allows anyone to purchase a gift membership. For this example, I'll choose monthly. Next, I'll give the level a name like Bronze. I can see which group the level is in and change it here later if I want. I'll also add a quick description to help people understand what they're signing up for, a confirmation message to thank them for joining, and a membership account message to provide some helpful links to members-only content they have access to. This will show up in the My Membership section of the account page. Next, we have our billing details. This is already set up for me since I chose the monthly template, but I can make tweaks to the initial payment, whether it's recurring or not, and the recurring payment amount and frequency. I can also set a limit to the total number of billing cycles. This is useful if a membership level should only bill members a specific amount of times at the designated frequency. The expiration settings allow us to automatically expire access after a given time period. Note that if you enable this on a membership level that's a recurring subscription, you'll see a warning that indicates that you don't really need both an expiration and a recurring subscription in most cases. For this setup, I don't need an expiration, so I'll turn it off. That brings us to content settings, where we can gate access to posts, pages, and content sections behind this membership level. If you've given all of your protected content a specific category, you can protect all of that content in bulk by selecting the appropriate category here. Since this is my bronze level, I can choose the level bronze category to give all members of this level access to all content with that category. You'll also see that you can edit posts and pages to restrict them to specific membership levels on a per post or per page basis. Let me show you how this works on an individual page. If I click the edit link for single pages, I'll be taken to my pages list. I'll edit my Bronze Members Club page, and on the right-hand side of the block editor in the Require Membership panel, I can tick my Bronze membership level to restrict this page to only members with that level. It works the same way on individual posts, levels, as well as custom post types if you have the custom post types premium add-on. Let's go back to our bronze membership level and look at the last couple of settings under other settings. Here we can disable new signups if we want to temporarily or permanently prevent people from joining this level, and we can enable profile pictures. I'll leave both these options unticked, and now I can save my new membership level by clicking Save Level. Now I'll copy this level, change the name to gold, adjust the price up a bit, and tweak my content restriction settings, adding the level gold category in addition to the level bronze category, since gold members should have access to bronze level content as well. I could continue adding levels to this group if I want additional tiers, but let's move on to a group that allows members to join multiple levels at once. Let's go back to memberships, settings, levels, and add a new level group. I'll call it multiple and tick the allow multiple selections box, then click Save Group. Adding levels works the same exact way for this group as it did for the previous one. Find the group, click Add Level, and choose your template. This time I'll pick Lifetime. Let's call it Course A. In this case, we'll say we're selling lifetime access to courses, and people might want to buy multiple different courses. So each course will be a separate level in the level group. If we scroll down to billing details, you can see that we don't have a recurring subscription for this level. Instead, there's just a one-time payment, which is $500. Next, we can restrict any content associated with this course to this membership level, just like we did with the previous example. I'll save this level, then copy it and create a new one called Course B. I would need to tweak the content restriction settings as well to ensure members of this level get access to the correct course. Then save the new level. Now with all my levels and groups set up, I can reorder the groups if I want, which will change how they appear on the front end. And if I go out to the membership levels page, I can see all of the level groups and levels that I've created. Now you know how to create membership levels in PM Pro, as well as how to adjust PM Pro membership level settings and manage your level groups. To learn more about Paid Memberships Pro and get started for free, visit paidmembershipspro.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our channel for more helpful content about how to run your own membership site.